Okay, so we found another channel named How Basic. Some people told me to watch it. This is how to make ramen. Okay, let's go. I love ramen. How to make ramen. Okay. Hang the broth. No need. Broth, broth, onion, a garlic and spring onion. I don't like eels. I just put water in it, powder, and just soak it for 1 hour. Oh, this is Japanese ramen. Okay. Alright, put water. Yes, you need water to make ramen, of course. Oh, but you boil. I never boil like meat. Never boil. Discard water. Rise the bones. Alright. Yo, bro, this is actually a good recipe. Okay, I think that's enough spring onions, but okay, you be you. I mean, yeah, that's too much calories, but be you, I guess. Right. Boiling the egg. I love egg. I love boiled eggs. Yes, you are cooking. We don't have this pot. You are cooking it correctly. Boil it for 6 minutes, and normally boil it for 10 minutes. Yep. He's actually doing it right. What the flip? What the flip? Alright, 2 pieces. Why not 3? Soy sauce. Isn't that like too much sugar? Whatever. Marinate for 1 hour. Cook for 2 minutes on each side. Yo, W recipe or L recipe? Let me know in the comments. Prepare the noodles. Alright, now here's where we get the best part. Yay, ramen! Best ever. Guys, there's so much steam, my eyes. What is that could be? It's the other stuff. The broth is just doesn't look that good, but I guess it's how I cook ramen. Yeah. Assemble the ramen. Avengers assemble. Okay, first off, you put the broth. Okay, he's actually doing it. A lot of people don't know how to make ramen, but he's actually doing it fully correct. Some ramen in the bowl. Yay! That's sesame seeds. Okay. Yay! We made it. Let's go. All right. Make sure to like and subscribe to How a Bit. Huh? Why is it more ramen? I guess I love ramen, so I guess I'll take one. Okay, that's enough ramen. Stop! That's enough ramen. Stop! What are you doing? What? Wait a minute. I know there's a mountain and there's some ramen here, but where do the ramen come from? Why is there so much in the first place? What the heck? Alright. The ramen is everywhere. The ramen fountain. It's like sun magic. You find a billion bowls of ramen and then you just you make an entire ramen fountain. Does it at least taste good? Just wondering. Does it at least taste good? Okay, he woke up. Oh my god, there's even more. Is that all? Wait, no, there's more. What? There's ramen everywhere. There's literally ramen everywhere. On the floor, in the trash can. What the heck? In the